The ratio between a two-digit number and the sum of the digits of that number is 4 is to 1. If the digit in the units place is 3 more than the digit in the tens place, find the number. Now, let's assume the number to be xy. So the value of the number becomes 10x plus y. Now it is given the ratio between a two-digit number and the sum of the digits is 4 is to 1. So 10x plus y upon x plus y is equal to 4 upon 1. Now if we cross multiply, we have here 10x plus y is equal to 4x plus 4y. So we get here, if we bring all x on one side, it becomes 6x. And if we bring all y on one side, it becomes 3y. If we divide by 3, it becomes y is equal to 2x. Now it is given here digit in the units place. Now this is our assumed number. So digit in the units place is y is 3 more than the digit in the tens place. So that is y is equal to x plus 3. So if we substitute it over here, we get the equation as x plus 3 is equal to 2x. So therefore x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6. So therefore the number becomes 36. That is your answer.